How to delete videos from watch later section in YouTube. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your YouTube application. After that, head over to your profile icon from your bottom right corner. And then, in this playlist section, you will see an option of watch later. Tap on it. And in order to remove it, simply tap on the three dots from the video and you will see an option of remove from watch later in the third row. Simply tap on it and now give it a good refresh. After that, you will see there are no videos left in my watch later section. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.